Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Cheese grater. The Guideline rotary cheese grater and kitchen mandolin vegetable slicer stands out as a versatile and efficient tool for both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Designed with a vibrant red color and constructed from durable stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS), this product combines aesthetics with functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen. Weighing just 0.9 pounds, this grater is surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels sturdy in hand. Its compact dimensions of 4.72 ELers into 3.54 botters into 9.455 H's make it easy to store without taking up much counter space, which is essential for smaller kitchens. The thoughtful design includes 3 interchangeable blades, enabling users to effortlessly shred, slice, or grate a variety of ingredients, from cheese to vegetables. This versatility is a significant advantage for those looking to streamline meal preparation. One of the most admirable features of the Guideline rotary cheese grater is its ease of use. The rotary mechanism operates smoothly, allowing for quick and efficient grating with minimal effort. Users can enjoy the satisfaction of freshly grated cheese or finely sliced vegetables without the hassle of traditional hand graters. Moreover, the product is dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleanup process and enhancing its practicality for everyday use. Pressure cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient cooking appliance. With a capacity of 3 liters and constructed from hard anodized aluminum, this pressure cooker combines durability and excellent heat conduction. The contoured black finish adds a sleek touch to any kitchen while providing a brushed surface that is resistant to scratches. Measuring 7.76 inches in diameter, 13.46 inches in width, and 7.32 inches in height, the Hawkins CB30 is compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens, making it an ideal option for small families or individuals. Weighing in at just 4.2 pounds, it is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to handle during cooking and cleaning. This pressure cooker excels in versatility, as it is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops. With a wattage of 1000 watts, it heats up quickly, allowing for faster cooking times without sacrificing flavor or texture. The manual operation mode gives users complete control over the cooking process, albeit with the understanding that it is not dishwasher safe. Juicer machine. The Black Decker 32-aughts electric citrus juicer is a well-engineered kitchen appliance that effectively combines functionality and ease of use. Designed with efficiency in mind, this electric juicer features an auto-reversing cone, which maximizes juice extraction from your citrus fruits, ensuring that you get every last drop of juice, whether you're juicing oranges or lemons. Its compact dimensions of 6.4 inches in diameter and 8.9 inches in height make it a suitable addition to any kitchen countertop without taking up excessive space. Weighing just 2.12 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle, yet it is robust enough to handle daily juicing tasks. The 900-watt motor provides ample power for efficient juicing while maintaining a user-friendly experience. The design and color, a sleek white finish with black accents, blend well with modern kitchen aesthetics. The stainless steel blade material indicates durability and ease of maintenance, ensuring long-term performance. Furthermore, the juicer is dishwasher safe, which simplifies the cleaning process significantly, allowing users to spend less time on post-juicing chores and more time enjoying freshly squeezed juice. Electric can opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener stands out as a highly efficient and user-friendly kitchen gadget. With its striking red color and sleek plastic design, it brings a modern touch to any kitchen while remaining practical. Measuring 18 into 7 into 5.5 centimeters, this automatic can opener is compact enough to fit comfortably in your kitchen drawer or on the countertop without occupying much space. One of the most impressive features of this can opener is its stainless steel blade, which ensures durability and effectiveness in cutting through various types of can lids. This automatic operation mode eliminates the struggle often associated with manual can openers, making it especially beneficial for those with reduced hand strength or arthritis. The simple push-button operation allows users to open cans with minimal effort, making meal preparation much more seamless. Weighing in at only 8 Kitchen Mat. The Mattitude Kitchen Mat stands out as a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen environment. Available in a sleek black color, this mat brings a modern edge to your kitchen decor, seamlessly integrating with various styles. Its geometric pattern adds a touch of contemporary flair, making it not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. What sets this mat apart is its fade-resistant feature, which ensures that it maintains its vibrant appearance even in the face of daily wear and tear. This quality is particularly advantageous in a high-traffic area like the kitchen, where mats are often exposed to spills and foot traffic. Measuring 0.4 inches in thickness, it provides ample cushioning, making long periods of standing more comfortable for those engaging in cooking or cleaning tasks. Manufactured by Mattitude, this mat weighs a manageable 4.3 pounds, which makes it easy to handle and relocate as needed. One aspect worth noting is the product care instructions. It is recommended to hand wash the mat only, which may seem a drawback for those seeking low-maintenance options. However, the investment in care can be justified by the mat's durability and long-lasting appearance.